Hey, Vector.
Jason.
Hey, Vector. I have a question. What's an epsilon?
Hey, Vector.
Take a picture.
What's the weather?
Timer's done.
Hey, Vector. Get some rest.
The amazing pocket-sized zoom microscope from the Natural History Museum. Simply switch on the light and you're ready to go. Use the 20 to 40 times zoom feature to get so close to objects that you'll see the individual fibres on your shirt, or close-up detail of even more interesting specimens. The Pocket Microscope from the Natural History Museum.
Hi, we are Tom and Adam, and we made Flux. And now we would like to show you what it's all about.
Every once in a while, you see something unusual. You face this new sensation that goes against all your expectations. For a moment, you have this extraordinary feeling that can only be described in one word: magical. We wanted to create a product that delivers this special experience, and that's what Flux does. Call it a spectacle, a scientific experience, or a skill toy. However, it will never fail to impress you and your friends, regardless of how much you know about underlying physics. There is a rarely known rule of magnetodynamics called Lenz's law. The moving magnetic field of a falling ball induces so-called eddy currents that in turn creates a reverse magnetic field that repels and slows down the magnet. This result is an amazing anti-gravity effect. When we built the first prototype of Flux, we were truly amazed by the reactions of people. Having seen the surprise and smiles on their faces made us believe that it can be a product that everyone wants. We went through a lot of testing and experimenting to learn what feels good in your hands and how we can improve the product to enable even more ways of use. Each tube of Flux is precisely turned and comes in a colorful leather cover that seamlessly blends into the surface of the metal. You can choose your own material and variation of colors, or even order a cool desktop stand to match your style and needs. You can sit back, relax, and enjoy the smooth, almost floating movement of the ball, or you can perform fresh new tricks. Since it's a new toy, the variations are only limited by your creativity. To ensure the most spectacular experience, your Flux comes with nothing but the strongest kind of permanent magnets currently available on the planet. That tiny ball is strong enough to hold a weight of 15 kilograms. Its strength is a lot of fun, but also requires careful attention. Playing around with flux is just so much fun. We started this project because we thought everyone should have the chance to get their hands on this amazing experience. While our product seems simple, the components are expensive and not available in low quantities. As soon as our minimal quantities are reached, we are ready to start mass production and achieve the offered price. By backing us, you're not only getting your own custom set, you're also helping to make this magical product available so that finally everyone will know what it's like to feel flux.